If you're looking for cheap and reliable games, go on to cdkeys.com. It does Xbox, PS4 and PC. And link will be in the description. Let's go on with the video. Before we get into this video, I had a question for all of you. I had an idea for me changing my YouTube name to Der, DER, instead of having Revless. So let me know what you think about the name change, either in the comments or my Twitter at RevlessV. Yeah. Anyway, hey guys, and just one more note before we go inside of this video. I will be doing a Q&A soon, so if you could really leave questions in the comment section below, I'll read them out. You can also put them on my Twitter, RevlessV. You can either do that or put it inside the comments. Trust me, that try not to laugh challenge with my brother is coming up. I promise you. If you hit the subscribe button, it will come. So don't forget Q&A, questions and answer. You write a question inside the comments and I answer them. Easy as that. Let's get on with the video. What's poppin', yo? I'm back with a brand new gaming video, and yes, you might be wondering, Ma, why you got a different t-shirt? It went dirty. Yes, I actually spilled something on it, so I had to change my shirt, so we got a different, but who cares about that, okay? We've got a game. It's called My Little Blacksmith. Look, we're inside. We've got a little game called My Little Blacksmith, and look, we're inside. It starts up with this, so it's got the controls, pick up, it's right click, blah blah blah. If you need a second to look at that, feel free to pause the video, and yeah, let's see how this game goes. So, control. Great, okay. I've looked a little bit about this game, so I actually know what to do, so, because first time I went inside, yeah, I've been in this before, but I had to look a bit on the internet, so anyway, we're in. So, our shop's open. Let's see what we can do. So, jeepers. That's right, boys. Copper ingots, here we go. I thought you spawned with more. Yeah, weird, okay. Oh cool, copper ingots here. Copper ingots here, copper ingots here. Did I get my shop yet? No, I'm lonely. I think I need to give my shop a name before anybody goes inside it. Okay. Okay, this game seems very, very fun. Very, very fun. Come on, burn! Oh, right on time. Give me a dagger now. Okay. Daggers are one-hand grip and the sword. Where's my manual? Z, I think it was? Yeah, I just need to make a blade. Twang, twang, twang. Twang, twang, twang. Look what we got here, we got a blade. Woohoo! And this is an alpha, so it could have some possible lags. Yeah. Whoa, I threw my dagger. I threw my little short blade. Okay, here we are. Oh, who made this? Okay, I'll put this in the air. Bit of a weird start. Oh, I don't have any one-hand grips. One-hand grips? Yeah, so one-hand grip. Oh, wait, we got a lot of money. Place order. It's like buying stuff on eBay, you know that? This is an alpha, so just don't be hard on it if you catch some glitches. I made a copper dagger. Now get the dagger and get out of here. My money? Good. That's only $10. Woo! Let's give my shop a name. Oh yeah, I already named it. Sorry about that. Renamed it. Yeah, if you see that list, I did actually start some people. I had to know the game, so yeah. Don't worry, I haven't played too much. I'm not like a pro or anything, as you can see from this video. Oh, looks like we got another person coming. Can you come a bit quicker, please? Any day now would be fine. Okay, you're in my shop. Give me a polearm now. Okay, we better make a polearm for you. Polearm grip. That cost me 10 $3. I think I am made of money. Well, I kind of am made of money because I'm getting a lot of money from this. Sorry if it was a short intro. I had to get around to this game. I couldn't wait any longer. So it's basically my little blacksmith. It's just as simple as that. It's your blacksmith in medieval times, and yeah, I mean there's nothing else to it. So here we can make a polearm grip. Stick to that. That's right. Hey, I think I have to make it on here. Way. Okay. Proper shirt. Yes, we made a copper polearm, and here you go. You better pay me 40. Level up. P. Increase sale price. Okay. Okay. If one guy doesn't come in 2, 3, 4, 5. I know someone's coming. And she made it in, so give me one hand sword now. Hey, look what we have right here. I'm sorry, is there a problem with you? Oh yeah, I just saw it. I just saw the mistake we had, okay? I get you game. This is very, very discreet. Very. Oh. Yes, we're making progress. Bro! What in heaven's name is that? Why am I crouching? Oh! God. Boy. Make. Okay, cool it off. It's got some Skyrim music. Grapes, right? Yeah, one hand grip. Was it control? Hold the control and then... Can't stick on it! There's no sticking on it. What? Okay, good. I thought I lost it. Sorry if I'm so quiet. I'm very, very focused. Jeepers, come on. I'm making no progress. Oh yeah, that's right. I need to make a... I almost forgot. Back guards. One hand guard. Nice order. Give me that stuff. Here, this is a guard. Hopefully I have enough time. 16 seconds. Okay. Yes, I made a 100. Here you go! Oh, thank goodness. Jesus, we be making money, bro. Sorry, shop closed. Get out of here. Making money real quick. Jeepers, yeah. Okay, we're gonna go to bed then, I guess. Well, I just want to go inside that forest to see what the heck. He's there again. Mister, come here. What have you been eating? It's foggy. Foggy. What's this? What's popping, bro? I kinda got that, right? Whoa, what is this thing? I'm stuck. Let's see. that's good, bro. Okay, Jesus. Jesus. Round board? Oh, so you're supposed to go here. Oh, I don't know, way back. I came from here? Yeah. So you're supposed to go there. Oh, I thought it was a part of the game. See, that's why you see that fog. That was a part of the game that wasn't developed yet. Oh, there's text. I didn't see that text. Text from B. Oh, what do I do with this? Oh, skills. Levels, bro. Can I chop wood up? Common wood log. I go to that chopping block, don't I? Wait, I'm sorry, I'm exploring this game. So this is the guardian of the forest. Cool stuff, bro. What's that? Crystal unknown. No, go away from me. Get this. Oh, I can't get that axe. No, that's crystal. Oh, here it is. Okay, good. We came back. Nah, you can't cut that wood, but who cares? Whoa, Mr. Big Man, get out the way! Move! Boy. I can give you a crystal. 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 I got a crystal here, bro. Crystal protection. Cool, I'm gonna go to bed now. Thank you. That's a very cool adventure. You felt tired, day 4. Okay, you felt tired. I felt refreshed. Boy. I got my crystal, bro. Wait, did I go to bed at morning? Now it's nighttime. Well, I better open my shop then. Open daily, but not all the time. Cool, different houses. I've already checked, you can't go inside. A bit weird. Who cares? This game is awesome. I love this. Oh yeah, if you want to play this game, the link will be in the description where you can download it. So yeah, we better see our guys come. Yeah, one guy's coming. One guy's coming. One guy's coming. I wish I could use all this. Do I have like an inventory? Inventory? Okay. Hello, what do you want? One-hand sword. Now another one-hand sword? What is it with you people? That. Grips. Almost ordered the wrong thing here. It's so hard getting these things. Wait, I don't have enough. Oh, poop nuggets. Oh god, wait. You gotta give me more time, mister! Ingots. Ingot. Copper ingot. Here. And then fire! Hot fire. Okay, read him. Okay, I thought I lost that one. Okay, you gotta give me more time, mister. It just said you're a donator, okay? Hey, Joshy Shurker. Okay. No, just almost made the wrong thing. Once. Bam. Read him. Fire. Okay, if we just place it against there, that'd be great. I hit my crystal! Here, take your stupid sword and get out of here. My crystal's gone. I hit my crystal out. No, Crystal. Me and Crystal. Oh, me and that crystal had so many adventures. I don't know what that crystal does though. Meh. Who cares anyway? Hey, that does it for today's episode of games. I will keep this up every Wednesday and Friday. Check into my channel. New video will hopefully be up. If it isn't, then I'm either away, busy, or dead. So, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and think about the questions at the start of this video. And hope you enjoyed this. I will be resuming this if you hit 5 likes. If you hit the like button, so I can continue this series. And without any further ado, I think that wraps everything up. See you later.